Welcome to this brief exploration of the history and health benefits of hummus. If you've ever enjoyed this creamy dip made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil, then you know just how delicious it can be. But did you also know that it's incredibly nutritious? In this video, we'll take a quick look at the history of hummus and the many health benefits it has to offer. Hummus has been a staple food in the Middle East for centuries, but its exact origins are unclear. Some believe it may have originated in ancient Egypt or Syria, while others point to the influence of the Ottoman Empire. Regardless of its origins, hummus has become increasingly popular around the world in recent years, thanks to its delicious taste and health benefits. It's often served as a dip with pita bread or vegetables, but it can also be used as a spread or a condiment. So, what makes hummus so healthy? Here are just a few of the many benefits it has to offer. High in protein, chickpeas, the primary ingredient in hummus, are an excellent source of protein. 1 cup of chickpeas contains about 15 grams of protein, which is roughly equivalent to the protein found in 2 ounces of meat. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, and it can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. High in fiber, chickpeas are also high in fiber, which can help regulate digestion and prevent constipation. A diet high in fiber can also lower the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. In addition, fiber can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Good source of healthy fats, hummus is made with olive oil, which is a healthy source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These types of fats can help reduce inflammation in the body, lower cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. In addition, olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Contains vitamins and minerals. Hummus is also a good source of vitamins and minerals such as iron, folate, and vitamin B6. Iron is important for carrying oxygen in the blood, while folate and vitamin B6 are essential for proper brain function and the formation of red blood cells. May help with weight management. Because hummus is high in protein and fiber, it can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. This can be helpful for those trying to manage their weight or stick to a healthy eating plan. In conclusion, hummus is a delicious and nutritious food that has been enjoyed in the Middle East for centuries. Its combination of protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their overall health and well-being. So, next time you're looking for a quick and easy snack, consider reaching for a bowl of hummus and some fresh veggies or pita chips. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.